3-part video series, we are going to set up a brand new Happy Planner for 2022. And then in video number 2, we are going to decorate that planner. And in video number 3, I will show you how to plan your week in the Happy Planner. If you are setting up a brand new planner for 2022, this series will be perfect for you. I'm going to give you as many tips and tricks as I can to get started with the Happy Planner for using it to get your life together in 2022. Hello, I'm Katie and welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. In this video, part 1 of the 3-part series, we are setting up the 2022 Happy Planner. This one is called Just Start, and it is a 12-month lined vertical classic size layout planner. Let's get started. These are the items that I recommend for setting up your new planner. Of course, you don't have to have all the things, and please do not overbuy and get too much to start with. You should start with just a few things and then add on to your collection, because I'm telling you right now, the stuff is addictive. It is so much fun. You're going to love it. I have had some questions on regularly, the same questions. The first one often being stickers, like what do you start with? And here's my suggestion for that. I suggest you get one collection of planner basics / functional stickers. So these are going to be like colorful boxes, plain stickers you can write on, or these like this sticker book, which is called Essential Planning. And it's basically your basics. So it has like some dates, some trackers, the usual kind of stick like your holidays, stickers like appointments, pay bills, day off, shopping, chores, those kind of things, food, dinner plans, the usual tasks that we all have kind of every week. So like a basics / functional / blank boxes kind of stickers. I would suggest those and some decorative. Now, the decorative, if there is a sticker collection that matches the planner you choose, I would say start with that. If there's not a matching sticker collection, pick what you want in a color palette, florals, designs, whatever you like, something you like. And I love this color palette of like peachy pink, neutral, and it has rose gold foil, which I love. So I just thought it would be a good example of a decorative set of stickers that could represent your style, your vibe, whatever you like. So here's some decorative ones that I like and some functional. And that's what I suggest for starting off with stickers. Let me walk you through a couple of these things and then we will set up this Just Start lined vertical Happy Planner for 2022. This is my favorite. If I could only pick one thing, it would be a bookmark, just because I love to be able to place my bookmark in my planner and then just flip open to that date so that it's easy to get right in there and start planning. So a bookmark is something I absolutely love. They come in collections usually of 2 or 3. This is a dashboard collection. This is from the Bookmark collection. Of course, there are a bazillion different designs and colors and all kinds of things, so just go with what you like. These 2 are from the Miss Maker collection. And my number 1 tip on these is that they do have plastic coating covering on them to protect them from scratching before it gets to you. So if you haven't already, or if you didn't know it was on there, peel off that plastic coating so you'll have a nice shiny brand new dashboard to put in your planner. And if you peel it off right, it won't stick like this, but I just ripped it so fast. So this is a dashboard and they come in different sizes. So you can get them in a small like bookmark size, a medium, like this one's a medium size, and you can get a full sheet dashboard as well as dry erase boards. But don't go crazy, just pick your favorites. If I could pick only one thing, that's what I would pick. So bookmarks and dashboards. Probably my second favorite thing are some decorative discs. My favorite are the metal discs. However, these are the coolest looking discs ever. They are like an oil slick, color iridescent black, and I think they're just gonna look really great on this planner. These are plastic, but I just really liked the color, so we're gonna switch out the clear discs for these iridescent discs. The other thing I like to use is some paper, and you can get extra paper in a Happy Notes, or you can buy the paper separately. I love to have extra paper. I personally like lined paper because I write a ton. That's just kind of how I think and how I plan. I like to write things out. So some extra paper. You don't necessarily have to get a Happy Notes. You can just get the paper separate. And it also comes in dot grid and grid paper and blank, and you might be able to find some other ones in colors. Just some extra paper. And then the other thing I love to have is a cover for my planner. You can get a deluxe cover, or this is a snap-in soft planner cover. And it's just a little bit flexible and a little bit firm. It just snaps right on your discs. And I just like that, so that when I have my planner away from the desk, I can just flip it open, and that gives me kind of a little extra sturdy surface to write in my planner. Make sure you leave a comment down below, or any questions you have about setting up your new planner. Let me know which layout you're using and how you're planning to use your planner this year. All right, let's start off by adding some new discs. Let me show you how to do this. If you're not familiar with the Happy Planner and you're brand new, all you do to take the pages off or the cover off is to just lift straight up. Make sure you don't pull out directly to the side, because that will tear the little cutouts in your paper. So definitely be careful for that. I'm going to start by taking off the front cover and back cover of the planner, and taking off this cardboard. From the front and the back. And I'm going to show you a really good tip. If your planner cover has that little sticky stuff, or it's kind of dirty or has smudges on it, you can use Undo Remover. Just take a little drip of it with a paper towel, and it will clean your planner cover right off. I'm gonna leave it for now, and maybe I'll do that after this video, get it all cleaned up when we have it all set up. So you take your front and back cover, grab your new discs, just open these up. And the disc collections come with 11 discs, so that if you're using a big Happy Planner size, which is 11 discs, you'll have enough. So we're gonna need 9. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. You have a couple of extra. Look how cool those are. I'm really excited about this color. They're really neat. Oh, they're gonna look so good in this planner. All right, so you just take a disc, flip up your covers like this, and then just pop it on. Super easy, just like that. And you can use different sizes of discs on all your planners. So if you just want to take a month or a couple of months, maybe 3 months out of your planner, and just use those on some mini discs, you can do that. Let me grab some other discs just to show you the sizes. So this is a mini. These are classic size, but I'll grab another one just for comparison. There's classic. And if you need an expander disc, here is an expander. That way, if you're using an 18-month planner with extra pages in it, this will give you plenty of room. And of course, you can use any size disc with any size planner. Very flexible, customized system. I really like that about it. So look how cool that looks already. It looks so good. Okay, so to add in your pages from your planner, I like to do it this way. Grab your tab so that it's like a firm surface behind your paper, pull straight up, and then just press the pages onto the discs, just like that. It's super easy. When you're removing the discs from the paper, you can just watch this very slowly. Just press and it will pop right out really easy without messing up your paper. So just a little trick there. All set. Okay, I wanted to go ahead and clean this off with the undo just to show you. So you just add a couple of drips right onto your cover, grab a paper towel, and then just clean it off. It'll get rid of all those fingerprints, any dust, or any of those little glue dots that are stuck to the cover. It comes right off. Let's do the back too. See, there's a little glue dot. I think you can see that on camera, and lots of fingerprints for me. Since I have lotion on my hands, they make fingerprints easily. Oh, that was actually a little plastic, looks like. Okay. There, so shiny and new. Now, this undo is available on Amazon. I will link my Amazon favorites video up in the cards and in the description. If you're getting started with planning and you just need to know what do you need, I created that video with my top 10 favorite things, and undo is one of them. So definitely check that out. Okay, let's get started setting up your planner. I'm gonna grab our bookmark and dashboard. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add our bookmark to the first week in the planner. All you do is snap it in on the discs, just like that, super simple. I'm gonna add the dashboard to the back, and we're gonna add some paper in here as well. So I'm just gonna flip this there, grab some paper out of the Happy Notes. The Happy Notes also come with dividers, so if you want a divider, then you might want to get some Happy Notes along with your paper. I'm just going to grab a few sheets out of that to add into the back of the planner. And you can use extension packs like budgeting. You can use extra paper. I just like to have paper in the back of mine. That's all personal preference. That's how I like to set up the planner. Okay, let's go ahead and add in our snap-in cover. And there are a few different designs of these. In the snap-in, there's like a peachy pink one. I'm not sure what's currently available. I purchased this one at JoAnn, and of course, most of these products are available from the Happy Planner. I'll have links in the description to where you can find these products, like Happy Planner products. But they're available in Michael's, JoAnn, Hobby Lobby, on the Happy Planner website, Amazon, Walmart, pretty much everywhere now. So they're very easy to find. If you're looking for something specific, of course, just leave a message in the comments or reach out to me and I'll be happy to help you find it. Okay, so that's all you do. Snap your cover right on. Isn't that nice? And it looks so good with those discs. So this is like super neutral, but also a little blingy. I like my glitter and bling, so I'm super happy with how this turned out. Okay, we are all set to decorate our planner and get started planning. If you need help with choosing a planner, which size, which layout, or with deciding what you're going to track in your planner this year, I have 2 additional videos for you, which I will link up in the cards and in the description box to answer those 2 questions. If you want to learn more about planning and go a little bit more detail into decorative planning, goal setting, hand lettering, creative journaling, productivity, or planning 101, you'll definitely want to head over to the Planner School and check out those courses. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. Stay tuned for part 2 of the series. I will show you how to decorate a week in your planner, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!